Hi students, very good morning. Today in this lecture we are going to deal with respect to Nernst equation. Right? In the previous video itself we have discussed what is meant by G. G is nothing but Gibbs free energy, that it has been given with the formula minus NFE, so that you should be getting a useful work. So for a reaction to be spontaneous, if you have E positive value, automatically delta G will be negative value. If delta G is negative, then you can be capable of doing work. So this delta G is nothing but change in the Gibbs energy. It is calculated at any concentration. Suppose if you go for delta G naught, this is the change in Gibbs energy at the standard condition, so that you will be getting the value of minus NF E naught. This is the electrode potential at standard conditions, right? So when you want to compare this delta G, change in Gibbs energy, with respect to the delta G naught, which is at standard condition, the change in Gibbs energy. So it has been given with this relation. So delta G will be equal to delta G naught. For delta G naught, you should add something. That something you are adding is, that is 2.303 RT log Q. This is the equilibrium constant what you will be getting in the first year, like equilibrium quotient. So what you will be getting equilibrium quotient, that is nothing but the concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. If you are having a little idea with respect to the chemical equilibrium, you will be knowing this Q. If you write K equilibrium, that is at the conditions. Okay, that is at the standard conditions. But if you write Q, that is the equilibrium constant at any concentration, right? So this is the equilibrium quotient. So, and we know the value of delta Z. Delta Z is nothing but minus NFE. Delta Z naught will be equal to minus NFE naught. And the same way 2.303 RT log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants, right? I am dividing the entire equation with respect to NF. So what happens, NF gets cancelled, you will be having E. Here you will be having minus E naught. Here you will be having plus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration products by concentration of reactants. Now I am making the entire reaction to react with the negative sign, so that it gets converted to positive. So E will be equal to E naught of cell, which is at standard condition, minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. So E is equal to E naught of the cell minus the value of R. R value is 8.314 joules. Already I have mentioned. Okay, and temperature. See, generally for this condition it has not been mentioned. We will be taking this as the condition. Okay, temperature will be taken as 298 Kelvin. F is taken as 96,500 coulombs, and R is taken as 8.314 joules per mole Kelvin. So if you substitute all the values here, so this R value, T value as well as F value, you will be getting the value of 0.059 by N. N is the same thing, log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. So what you are calculating here, you are calculating the electrode potential of a single electrode, or you can calculate EMF of the cell also. Okay, this is generally the electrode potential of the single cell. So this equation, it is called as Nernst equation, and this Nernst equation is used to calculate the potential of a single electrode, and it is also used for the calculating of the EMF of the cell. Okay, so this is the single electrode potential. So based on this we will be solving some examples, right? So the question comes like this here. Find the reduction potential and oxidation potential of iron plus 2 with concentration of 0.01 molar concentration getting converted to iron solid. So Fe plus 2 to Fe. What is this? This is reduction, right? At 25 degrees centigrade. So, and he has mentioned E naught value of Fe plus 2. So standard reduction potential of E naught, Fe plus 2 slash Fe is equal to minus 0.45 volts. So E will be equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. This is the general condition. So here it is undergoing reduction, right? So what will be taking Fe plus 2 with the gain of 2 electrons, it gets converted to iron solid. Okay. So here you are calculating the electrode potential from Fe plus 2 to Fe, means you are calculating the electrode reduction potential for this cell. That is equal to minus 0.45, because E naught has been given here, so reduction potential only, no problem, minus 0.059 by how many electrons are being involved. So you are getting 2 electrons are being involved, right? Okay, so it is by 2 log iron concentration by Fe plus 2 concentration, and we know that for solids in chemical equilibrium we will be taking 1, so the concentration of the iron will be equal to 1, and Fe plus 2 has mentioned the concentration here 0.01. So what it becomes? It becomes 10 power minus 2. Okay, so if you substitute the values, minus 0.45 minus 0.059 by 2 into, if you get to the top, what you will be getting? Log 10 power minus 2 you will be getting. So log 10 power minus 2 you will be getting, Log 10 power 2 you'll be getting, because this 10 power minus 2, if it comes into the numerator, the value will be 10 power 2. So log 10 square, it is nothing but 2 log 10. Log 10 value is 1, so it will be 2. So this 2 is cancelled, minus 0.49 minus of 0.059. So the net value will be minus of 0.509 volts. Okay, this is the electrode potential of this cell. Getting this electrode potential of this cell at a given temperature. So minus 0.5094 if Fe to Fe plus 2. Suppose he is asking oxidation potential also, because we have calculated the reduction potential. Okay, this is also reduction potential. Oxidation potential means whatever the value you have obtained here. Further, if you substitute minus, so what you will be getting? Minus of minus 0.509, you will be getting 0.509 volts. This is the answer what you will be getting with respect to oxidation potential, and this is the answer with respect to reduction potential. We know that both are controversial with just a minus sign, right? Okay, take one more example. Try to pause the video and try to solve this question, students. Find the reduction and oxidation potential of chromium in the solid state getting converted to chromium plus 3. 0.1 molar is the concentration at 25 degrees centigrade. So E0, the standard electrode potential of chromium in the reduction state, it has been given as Cr plus 3 to Cr minus 0.75 volts. Okay, pause the video, students. 1, 2, 3. Right, I hope that you have done this question. So I am going to solve this question. See, reduction potential. So whatever he has mentioned in the question is reduction potential only. See, Cr chromium to chromium plus 3. Sorry, he has mentioned here oxidation. Okay. This oxidation he has mentioned. So what happens? Chromium plus 3 to, if you want to calculate the reduction potential, you should get in this way. Chromium plus 3 electrons gets converted to chromium in the solid state. So the number of electrons involved are 3. And chromium plus 3 is in the concentration of 0.1 mole. Okay. So E chromium plus 3 to chromium, it is equal to minus 0.07 V you will be getting after the answer, right? This is the condition. Okay, and E will be equal to E0, standard reduction potential. So you should be getting standard reduction potential as well as minus 0.059 by N log concentration of products by concentration of the reactants. So nothing to do with this notation. Okay, already you have here in the form of reduction only, Cr plus 3 to Cr. That is nothing but a reduction only, right? So the Cr plus 3 to Cr, it is minus 0.75 minus 0.059 by 3 electrons log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. See, what is the product here? Chromium. Product by reactant. Chromium by Cr plus 3. Chromium by Cr plus 3. Right? Cr plus 3 concentration is 10 power minus 2. Why I have written like this? Sorry, that is 10 power minus 1 only. Because it is 0.1, right? So it is 10 power minus 1. If you get into the top, you will be getting 10 power 1. Okay, minus 0.75. This figure, you take it as 0.06 because 0.059, right? So I am taking it as 0.06 by number of electrons 3 log 10 power 1. You will be getting into 1, right? So log 10 is 1 again. So 0.75 minus 0.02. What you will be getting? You will be getting minus 0.77 V. What is this? This is the reduction potential, whatever you have calculated for this electrode at a given temperature. So this is the reduction potential minus you will be getting. If you want in terms of oxidation potential, it will be getting converted to 0.77 volts with positive side. Okay. Take this question. Find the EMF of the cell where the chromium is getting converted to chromium plus 3. So for this you should find the EMF. For this you should find the, for this you will be finding the electrode potential, and for this also you will be finding the electrode potential. After that ERHS minus ELHS, you will be getting the EMF of the cell. Clear? For this you will be having one electrode potential. So for this time you will calculate in this pattern. Okay, for both the things you calculate in this pattern, you will be getting the answer. So try to pause the video, students. Find the EMF of the cell, chromium solid getting converted to chromium plus 3 with 0.1 molar concentration with double slash, this is salt bridge. Fe plus 2 concentration he has mentioned, it has been converted to Fe. So at 25 degrees centigrade. He has mentioned E0 of chromium plus 3 with respect to copper, it is minus 0.75 volts. This is reduction potential. And here also E0 of Fe plus 2 getting converted to iron, it is minus 0.45 volts. Clear? So generally if you want to calculate E of the cell, so not E0, this is E of the cell. E cathode minus E anode. See, RHS minus LHS. So what is the value of RHS? You should calculate, right? Same way. Suppose, let us write this equation. So chromium getting converted to chromium plus 3 electrons, because this is the oxidation side, right? This is the oxidation side. Reduction side. Fe plus 2, by taking 2 electrons, it gets converted to Fe. See, here 3 electrons are there, here 2 electrons are there. You should cancel out both the things. So what happens? You multiply this entire chromium equation with 2 because you are having 2 electrons, and you multiply this iron equation with 3 because you are having 3 electrons with respect to chromium. So what happens? 2 times of chromium, 2 times of chromium plus 3, 6 electrons. Now if you multiply with 3 with iron equation, so 3 Fe plus 2, 3 2s are 6 electrons as well as 3 iron. So if you sum up these two equations, what happens? 6 electrons will be cancelled. 2 chromium plus 3 Fe plus 2. You know the Fe plus 2 concentration, this is 10 power minus 2, right? Getting converted to 2 chromium plus 3 plus 3 Fe. Chromium plus 3 concentration also you know. This is 10 power minus 1 or 0.1. So now for this, if you want to write E naught, E of the cell, okay, E of the cell will be equal to E naught of the cell minus 0.059 by n log products concentration by reactants concentration. See, in product what you are having? 2 chromium plus 3, this one, right? 3 Fe. What you will be getting? Fe whole power 3 you will be getting, because iron, this is solid, you can't, no need to take. Here also chromium, no need to take. So product concentration is Cr plus 3 whole square by Fe plus 2 whole power cube. See, product is Cr plus 3 whole square because you are having the coefficient 2 in the this here, Fe plus 2 whole power 3. And E naught of this cell, if you want the E naught of this cell, what you should know, from these two you will be calculating, right? This E naught is nothing but RHS minus LHS. This is RHS minus LHS. What is the RHS value? 0.059. How you got this? Right. Individually you can calculate cathode of the. So if you calculate individually, you will be getting. Okay, if you substitute both the things in the single equation, so you are getting Cr plus 3 by Fe plus 2. 0.30. This is the E naught of the cell. If you RHS, which this is RHS, minus 0.45 minus of minus 0.75. So you will be getting E naught of the cell. Getting this, unite it. E naught of cell will be equal to E naught RHS minus E naught LHS. What is E naught RHS? RHS is iron, right? Minus 0.45 minus LHS minus 0.75. So that what you will be getting? You will be getting one value, right? This is the E naught of the cell. So you will be writing E naught of the cell, this one, 0.30 minus 0.059 by n. How many electrons are being involved here? 6 electrons. So this is 6 log concentration Cr plus 3. This is the product concentration whole square by Fe plus 2 whole power cube. So that this one will become chromium plus 3, concentration is 10 power minus 1 whole square. This one Fe plus 2 is 10 power minus 2 whole cube. So if you calculate the value, you will be getting minus 0.30 minus 0.06 by 6 log 10 power 4. So the value will be 0.26 volts. This is by combining both the cells. Or you can calculate E of this one by using this equation, E of this one by using this equation, one more equation like this, because it can be used, this formula can be used for single also. So only for this you will be calculating, and only for this you will be calculating. From that you, by using this one, E cathode minus E anode. So E cathode formula is this one, E anode is this one. So individually you can do by in this pattern, or by combiningly, means I am combining these two in a single sentence, I am doing this one. Okay, in this pattern, if you want E naught of the cell, I have written already here, again double time I have written. So minus 0.45 minus of minus, so we'll be getting 0.30. That value has been substituted here. Okay, E naught of the cell. In this one, you are calculating here too. This is one of the pattern. What I have done here is individually I have found it. You can do that in personally. You will be having a good idea over doing the problem. Okay, now try to solve this question. Find EMF of the cell at 25 degrees centigrade where the zinc has been converted to Zn plus 2 double slash Sn plus 2 converted to Sn. So by using the two equations, see Zn getting converted to Zn plus 2 with 2 electrons, Sn plus 2 plus 2 electrons, it is getting converted to Sn. So as you are having 2 electrons, nothing to multiply. So 2 electrons will be cancelled. Zn plus Sn plus 2 getting converted to Zn plus 2 plus Sn. So the concentration of Sn plus 2 will be equal to 0.001, and Zn plus 2 as already has mentioned in the question, this one. So if you want EMF of the cell or E of the cell, it is E naught of the cell minus, this is the cell, right, minus 0.059 by n log concentration of the product by concentration of the reactant. Okay, so what is the concentration of the product? This is the concentration of the product, 0.1 whole power 1. Reactant is Sn plus 2, that is 0.001 whole power 1. Here it is minus 0.059 by number of electrons involved are 2, and E naught of the cell. E naught of the cell, how you will be getting? RHS minus LHS. RHS is this one and LHS is this one. So RHS value is minus 0.414 minus LHS value is minus of 0.076. So you will be getting minus 0.14 plus 0.76. You will be getting 0.62. So if you substitute that value here, 0.62, then you will be getting the pattern like this, 0.62 minus 0.03, because you are taking this as round figure as 0.06, log 10 you will be getting. Okay, so that the value will be 0.56 volt. Okay, students. So this is what with respect to the electrodes what you have done. And now if you go for the concentration cell, means concentration will be mentioned here. So EMF of the cell, it has been mentioned 0.092. Platinum has been taken as electrode where hydrogen is gas has been pumped into that. Hydrogen is getting converted to H plus, means it has undergone oxidation. M plus 4, another metal has been placed there. M plus 4 is getting converted to M plus 2 with the platinum electrode, right? This metal, what it has happened, it has undergone reduction. And he has mentioned E naught M plus 4 to M plus 2 is equal to 0.151 volts, and E naught of H plus 2 half H2 it has been mentioned as 0 volt. So M plus 2 by M plus 4 it is equal to 10 power x. Find the value of x. And this is the question that has come in the JEE 2016 advance. So if you want the E naught of the cell, that is E cathode minus E anode. What is the cathode here? This one RHS. So this is 0.151. This one minus, and LHS is 0 volt. So the value E naught of the cell is 0.151 volt. Okay. So here what has happened? H2 has been converted to H plus. So H2 has been converted to H plus. Means you are having 2. You will be getting 2 H plus plus 2 electrons. And here what has happened? M plus 4 getting converted to M plus 2. M plus 4 plus 2 electrons, it is been converted to M plus 2. So if you cancel out the electrons here, H2 plus M plus 4 gives rise to 2 H plus plus M plus 2. Okay. And number of electrons involved are 2. Clear? Okay. And E is equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 by N log products concentration by reactants concentration. E of cell you have obtained as 0.092. E naught is equal to 0.151 because this has been mentioned in the question itself. 0.059 by 2 log concentration of the products by concentration of the reactants. You are having H plus whole square because 2 H plus you are getting. M plus 2 here. In the denominator you are having H2. Reactant side you are having H2, right? That H2 is in the gaseous state. Whenever an element is present in the gaseous state, it exerts some sort of pressure, right? So instead of H2, instead of mentioning concentration as it is in the gaseous state, you are writing it as pressure exerted by H2 by M plus 4 concentration. And this has been mentioned in the question, M plus 2 by M plus 4, it is equal to 10 power x. H plus, it has been mentioned as 1, PH2 has been mentioned as 1. 1 bar, this is H plus whole square, that is 1 square. So that we will be getting 0.092 will be equal to 0.151 minus 0.059 by 2 log 1 square into 10 power x by 1. So 0.059 will be equal to 0.059 x by 2, and the value of x will be equal to 2. So this is the value of x. And look out this question, students. Pause this video, or if you get the PDF value, look over this question, whatever that is present here, and try to solve the question by your own. Okay. And the solution of this question is 0.61 volts. I have left a gap here, right? So let me take 2 more questions so that the entire content with respect to the electrode potential will be finished. So concentration of the cells with respect to EMF or EMF of the concentration cell. See, both you are taking same electrodes. See, up to now we have taken different electrodes. One electrode is of cathode, one other electrode is anode, where both the anode and cathode are different. But in this case, what I am doing is I am taking both the electrodes are same, but the concentration has been changing. Ag plus concentration in oxidation state, it is getting converted to 0. It is only in the concentration of 0.2 molar. Whereas if you see the silver with respect to the reduction, it is of 2 molar concentration. It is at 25 degrees centigrade. Now if he asks, so both are the same electrodes, right? These two are same electrode. Oxidation electrode is silver. This one electrode is also silver only. At standard condition, what is this one? Standard condition means 25 degrees centigrade only. This will not change. So E naught for this one will be equal to 0. Generally E will be equal to E naught of cell minus 0.059 by log products concentration by reactants concentration. That is the condition, right? So E will be equal to E naught of the cell is equal to 0 because both the electrodes are same. At the standard condition, the value will be equal to 0. And number of electrons involved. So this is general equation. Ag solid getting converted to Ag plus. This concentration where the oxidation state has been mentioned here. So it is getting converted to Ag plus plus electron. It is in the 0.2 molar concentration. In the second equation, Ag plus, it is in the 2 molar plus electron. It is getting converted to silver. So Ag plus, it is 2 molar concentration getting converted to Ag plus 0.2 molar concentration. So for this electron is cancelled. Don't try to cancel out Ag plus because these two Ag plus concentration are different. This is 0.2 molar, this is 2 molar. Okay. So this is 0.059 by 1 electron involved log concentration initial by final. Okay, product's concentration by reactant. Product is 0.2, reactant is 2. So that you will be getting the E value is equal to 0.059 log 10 power minus 1. The value of E is equal to 0.059 volts. Okay, getting this, when the cathode as well as the anode are same electrodes, then E naught will be equal to 0. This is the question for you for this session. Okay, cell zinc in the solid state getting converted to zinc sulfate aqueous condition with a salt bridge copper sulfate aqueous condition getting converted to copper. Concentration of Zn plus 2 is 10 times the copper concentration of the copper plus 2. Okay, the concentration of Zn plus 2 is 10 times the concentration of the copper plus 2. Find the delta Z value where E naught is equal to 1.1 volt. JEE advanced question 2017. These are the values that he has mentioned. 2.303 RT, 1.1 F. F is nothing but Faraday. B is 1.1 F. Third one is 2.303 RT, 2.2 F. Fourth option is minus 2.2 F. This is the question. Pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay. Okay, students, look over this answer. So, this is the condition. Zn converted to Zn plus 2 electrons, copper plus 2 electrons getting converted to copper. This is the condition. So, E will be equal to E naught of cell minus 2.303 RT by NF log concentration of products by concentration of reactants. E naught of this cell, it is 1.1 volt. Okay, 2.303 RT by 2 Faraday because 2 electrons are involved here, log Zn plus 2 by copper plus 2, because the remaining copper as well as the zinc are in the solid state, it will be taken as the unity. Okay, so it is 1.1 minus 2.303 RT by 2F log. So Zn plus 2 is 10 times more than the copper, means if it is 10 times, this is 1 time. This is 10 times, means that is 100 times. So it will become 10 by 1. So log 10 value is 1.1 minus 2.303 RT by 2F. This is the value of E. But the question is delta G. Delta G is equal to minus NFE. So it will be equal to minus number of electrons are 2 and F is F. So into 1.1 minus 2.303 RT by 2F into 1. So what happens if you multiply this 2F with this one, 1.1, what becomes 2 minus 2.2F plus 2F will be cancelled, so it is plus 2.303 RT. So this is the answer for this question. I hope that you have done this question. Okay, students, once again you go through these contents and practice all the problems in your material whatever present with respect to this content. Have a nice day. Bye bye.